Days between two dates. What's the shortest way to see how many full days have passed between two dates? Here's what I'm doing now.
Assuming you've literally got two date objects, you can subtract one from the other and query the resulting time delta object for the number of days. And it works with date times too. I think it rounds down to the nearest day.
Do you mean full calendar days, or groups of 24 hours? For simply 24 hours, assuming you're using Python's datetime, then the timer delta object already has a days property. For calendar days, you'll need to round A down to the nearest day, and B up to the nearest day, getting rid of the partial day on either side.
Try. I tried with B and A of type datetime.date.
Referencing my comments on other answers. This is how I would work out the difference in days based on 24 hours and calendar days. The days attribute works well for 24 hours and the function works best for calendar checks.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.